He's gonna hit with shrapnel.
It's gonna be good. That thing was right. That was worth it.
Oh my God! $864 sparkler bomb.
Holy shit!
Yeah,
It blew the center out.
yeah.
Oh my god. Wait, is the center finished?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, that's the center.
Yeah.
It blew the center out. Cool, it got so hot the metal's orange. In some places.
Who needs a bonfire?
Much true that.
Well, we didn't want to burn
Crystal
the bonfire.
in those other places.